Hello everybody, this is your video for your academic achievement assignments for the week. Parents, I'm going to go ahead and record explanations for pages 1 through 8, and I'm going to make another video for pages 9 through 16. You all can do however much you want to. A page a day would be ideal. If you would like to work longer, then you can of course do more work. That's just fine. So first off, synonyms and antonyms. Synonyms are words that have the same or similar meanings. For example, small and tiny, pretty, beautiful, hop, and jump. For antonyms, those are words with the opposite meaning, hot and cold, up, down, little, and big. I'm trying to get a link together for you all to use to watch a brain pop video that goes along with synonyms and antonyms. Alright, so page number 1. It says, read the sentences, look at the bold words, use the color code to color the fire. And the fire would be the fire over the number. So the campfire color code, synonyms are orange, antonyms are yellow. So I'm going to read the sentence and pay attention to the two bolded words. If they have the same meaning, I'll color my fire orange. If they have opposite meanings, I'll color it yellow. So I'm going to do number 1 and 2 with you all. So number 1 says, we will gather twigs and collect sticks. Collect and gather they have a similar meaning, so I'm going to color my fire orange. Number 2 says, don't waste the food, save it for later. If we save something, it means we're keeping it. If we waste it, it means that we're not keeping it, we've thrown it away. So waste and save are opposites, so I will color my fire yellow. And you'll do that same thing all the way to number 10. Page 2 says, identifying synonyms. Read each sentence, highlight the synonym pair for each set of sentences. So I'm going to read each sentence and I'm going to find the two words that have similar meanings. Number 1 says, Ben likes to bounce on the trampoline. He can jump really high. So the two words in those two sentences that have similar meanings, I would say, are bounce and jump. So I would circle, underline, highlight, whatever you have at home that you can use to do with those two words, so I know that those are the synonyms. And you'll do that same thing all the way to number 10. Page 3 is opposite. It says, read each sentence, highlight the antonym pair for each set of sentences. So this time I'm looking for words that mean the opposite. So number 1 says, Kelly's bed is too hard. Mike's bed is too soft. So the two words that I would circle, underline, or highlight would be the words hard and soft, because those mean the opposite. Hard means it's not something very comfortable. It's a word that I would use to compare to. Soft means it's comfortable, like a bed. If you have a hard bed, you don't really probably want to sleep on it. Hard would be like the floor, whereas soft would be what kind of bed you would want to sleep on. And that would be the same thing you do through number 10. Page number 4, synonyms and antonyms. Cut and paste each set of words to the correct column. So I have one column that says synonyms, meaning the same, antonyms meaning opposite. So I'm going to look at these words over here, and I need to decide, do those two words have the same meaning, or do they have the opposite meaning? For example, hot and cold. Those two things are completely opposite, so I would glue that one here under antonyms. The next one says kind and nice. Those words mean the same. If you're being kind to somebody, they could also say that you're being nice. So I'm going to glue that one under synonyms. Page 5 says cut and paste to the correct boxes. So this is very similar to page 4, but instead of being an all-in-one column, they've got them spread out into different bottom and top of the pages. So this one says boy, girl. Boys and girls are different, so I would glue that on a space that says antonyms or opposites. The next one says clean or wash. If I'm going to clean my clothes or I'm going to wash my clothes, that means the same thing. So I would glue that on a box that says synonyms. And again, you will do that until you get all the squares, rectangles glued. Page 6 is the exact same thing, so I'm not going to go over it because it's exactly the same as page 5. Page 7, identifying synonyms. Highlight the 2 synonyms on each bread slice. So each bread slice has 3 words. You need to find the 2 words that mean the same thing. So the first piece of bread says penny, dollar, cent. Well, we just finished our money unit, so we know that a penny is worth a cent. So I would highlight penny and cent because a dollar and cent aren't the same thing, and penny and dollar are not the same thing. For the second bread slice, it says hello, hi, and say. The 2 words I would highlight are hello and hi because those 2 words mean the same thing. Say does not have a similar meaning to hello or hi. And for the last page for this video, page 8 is the same thing except for its antonyms. So again, there's 3 words on each slice of bread. You're going to highlight the 2 words that have opposite meanings. I'm going to start at the bottom this time. Small, pink, big. The 2 words that have opposite meanings are small and big. Pink is a color and has nothing to do with size, so it would not be one that I would highlight. The next slice of bread says old, white, and black. The 2 words that are opposite are white and black. You can see on this page, you can see there's black lines, and then there's white space. Those are complete opposites. Alright guys, so there's your video for pages 1 through 8. I'll be posting a link of the video for pages 9 through 16. Thanks so much. Again, do not try and do all of these pages, just do what you can. Thanks so much.